Welcome to James Engineering here in Broomfield, Colorado. This is my father, Jim Richards, and myself, Scott Richards. We're a machine shop, first and foremost, but we started out as an OEM making high-end CNC deburring machines. Some of our deburring machines have up to 10,000 parts in them, and we quickly learned ourselves that we couldn't job these parts out. So we needed really tight tolerance, but we needed really low cost. So in order to do that, we had to learn how to make our own parts, make all of our parts inside so that we could offer a high quality machine at a bargain price. We have a really fascinating history. Jim started in the Formula One, so let me have him tell a story.
Yeah. In the early 80s, I moonlighted for my own business and worked pretty much full-time for a company that makes Formula One transmissions. And in that process, we had to bring gear manufacturing in-house at the company I was working for. And in that same process, we needed to develop deburring machines because there was nothing adequately on the market that could do what we needed for that quality of a gearbox. So we developed shortly thereafter deburring machines and started manufacturing them.
So real quickly, that's our history. Let's go on inside and take a look at what we do. Jim's going to go ahead and get back to work because he's a busy guy, so come on in. So we make a lot of little precision parts and whatnot. So we do job shop work anywhere from single piece, couple piece to a few thousand pieces. We really love that few hundred to a few thousand pieces a week. So we're not exactly a high volume, but we're kind of a medium volume company still with an ability to do prototyping. But there's a difference with us. The difference with us is that we're an OEM as well. So we make high-end CNC deburring machines. Since we make those high-end CNC deburring machines, we have a different kind of knowledge that most people won't have. So what we can do now is we can look at these parts that you might send to us, and a lot of times a customer will send it to us and it's over-defined, it's over-toleranced, and it's just a nightmare part, and the customer doesn't quite realize that maybe that part's excessively expensive. Now with our intimate knowledge of making CNC machines, we can take that cost of that part and we can look at it and we can help you bring down that cost per part. So for example, on this part, this customer had super tight tolerances, 10th tolerances all over the place, tight surface finishes and all of this other stuff. So we went in and worked directly with the customer and we were able to identify the key tolerances that they needed met while taking out the other over-defining tolerances and allowing us to give them a cost of a part they needed at the quality they wanted.